Hey math kids, here's how we do inverse trig functions on a calculator. So it should be pretty quick. So the first thing is make sure you go to mode and you change your calculator to degrees and then get out of there. Okay, so algebraically what we're doing is we're using the inverse trig function. So in this case, we're going to use an inverse sine on both sides. That cancels the sign, and so we're left with just x equals the inverse sine of 0.423. So we come to our calculator, we say second sine. Notice that there's a little exponent of -1 right there, 0.423, and we get 25.0. degrees. So that's 25 degrees is the angle of the triangle that we're finding. Okay, the next one, we would use an inverse cosine. So those cancel, we're left with x right there. We get the inverse cosine of 0.521. Go to our calculator, second cosine 0.521. We get 58.6. And once again, that's in degrees because we set our calculator to degrees. Tangent, we're going to use inverse tangent to get rid of it algebraically. Those cancel, so we're left with x is equal to the inverse tangent of 0.161. Go to our calculator, second tangent, notice the -1, 0.161. We end up with 9.15 if we round that. Oh wait, what was that? 9.145, okay. 9.15. Just double check that, yep. And once again, that's degrees, and so it's 9.15 degrees. If you need additional help, please come to Math Lab. Until then, calculate.